everyone. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into something a little different but equally important, oral care. We're taking a close look at the Oral-B Clic Manual Toothbrush in matte black. This set includes one ergonomic handle, 3 replaceable brush heads, and a magnetic holder designed for hygienic storage. It's pitched as a modern manual toothbrush that aims to deliver excellent cleaning performance while reducing plastic waste. Let's see how it really performs. So the Oral-B Clic is a manual toothbrush, but with a fresh twist. Its standout feature is the replaceable brush heads that snap onto a single handle. That means instead of tossing the entire toothbrush every 3 months, you just swap out the brush head. Oral-B says this cuts plastic use by up to 60% over 2 years, compared to traditional manual brushes. It uses their next-gen criss-cross bristles with x-filament technology, which is designed to reach deeper between teeth and along the gum line for a thorough clean. The magnetic holder is also a nice design touch. It sticks neatly to your bathroom wall and keeps your brush dry and hygienic, which is always a plus. I found incorporating this toothbrush into my routine pretty straightforward. The handle feels solid yet lightweight, and the matte black finish gives it a sleek, modern vibe that looks great in any bathroom. Switching out the brush heads is easy. Just a quick snap, no fuss. Brushing felt comfortable with the ergonomic grip, and the bristles did a good job at cleaning without being too harsh. I tested it morning and night for a couple of weeks, and I liked that the heads kept their shape well, maintaining good contact with my teeth. The magnetic holder was surprisingly handy, especially in a small bathroom where counter space is tight. One thing to note, the handle itself isn't waterproof, so you'll want to be careful with water exposure over time. Here's what stood out for me. The eco-friendly design is a major win. Reducing plastic waste is something many of us are trying to do, and this toothbrush makes that easier without sacrificing cleaning power. The magnetic holder is a clever hygienic storage solution, and the ergonomic handle is comfortable to use daily. On the flip side, if you prefer electric toothbrushes or need specialized bristle softness for sensitive gums, this might not fully replace those options. Also, replacement brush heads will be an ongoing cost, so keep that in mind. When it comes to value, the Oral-B Clic isn't the cheapest manual toothbrush out there, but the sustainability factor adds serious weight. The price is reasonable for the quality of materials and the reusable handle concept, especially considering the plastic savings over time. If you're someone who loves a minimalist, eco-conscious design and appreciates a solid manual brush, this could be worth the investment. Comparing it to standard manual toothbrushes, the key difference is definitely the replaceable head system and the sleek design. It doesn't have the battery or tech features of an electric toothbrush, but if you're looking for a more sustainable and modern manual brush, it stands out nicely. Some eco-friendly brands offer bamboo or fully compostable brushes, but those often lack replaceable heads, meaning more waste overall. So Oral-B Clic balances hygiene, sustainability, and convenience quite well. The build quality feels premium for a manual brush. The handle's matte finish resists fingerprints and feels sturdy, while the magnetic holder's design is both functional and stylish. In terms of longevity, the handle should last years if cared for properly, and the brush heads hold up well over their recommended 3-month usage. I haven't had any issues with durability so far. I didn't have to reach out to Oral-B customer support for this product, but Oral-B as a brand has a solid reputation for responsive customer service and quality control, so that's reassuring if any issues arise. If you're looking for alternatives, cheaper manual toothbrushes will definitely be easier on the wallet, but won't offer the replaceable head system or the magnetic holder. On the other hand, eco-conscious brands with bamboo handles offer sustainability, but usually at the cost of convenience. So, if ease of use and modern design are priorities, Oral-B Clic hits a good middle ground. So to wrap it up, Oral-B Clic delivers on its promise of a modern manual toothbrush that's both effective and more environmentally friendly than traditional options. It's great for anyone wanting a simple, stylish, and sustainable upgrade to their daily oral care routine. If you want something with a tech buzz, this isn't electric, but for manual toothbrush lovers who care about plastic waste, this is a smart choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic today. If you've already tried the Oral-B Clic toothbrush, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. The link to grab yours is in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.